Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Isa and in today's video I will give you an overview of what I think is the best digital planner to start with. Today we are going to be talking about the pastel planner, and this is a really awesome one. It comes in a ton of different colors that I will show you in a minute. But first I want to start by showing you all of the features of the planner. Make sure to check out my following video where I will actually teach you how you can start using this digital planner in GoodNotes 5. Okay, so we are going to start from the beginning, and that is with our cover page, which in this case is purple with a teal cover, but again, you have different color options to choose from if you decide to get this planner. So from here, you actually have a hidden link, which is on the bottom corner of the cover. So if you tap there, the planner is going to open and you are going to arrive to the first page. Now here you have a little dashboard section on the left side, and you have some links to PrintStick social media and shop. If you want to open one of those, just make sure that your toolbar is hidden. If you're using GoodNotes, then you can just tap on a link, click on yes, and that will open the browser and take you to each of the pages. After this first page, if we scroll, you get to your info page, and here you have some tips and some info on how to best use this planner. And then here on the top right, you will get a code that you can use to download certain items. For example, if you get this planner in the undated version, by the way, this planner comes either dated or undated. If you get the undated version, then with that code, you will be able to download the current yearly calendar so you can add it to your yearly page. This particular planner I'm showing you right now is dated already, so you will see the dates on it. But if you choose the undated version, then you will get no dates and you will be able to get that calendar using that code. Okay, we move on. Then you get to your index page, and this is a very important page, and I will show you how to use all this in my following video. Right now it's blank, it doesn't make a ton of sense, but in these white spaces you can enter the labels of your sections, because as you can see there's tabs right next to them here on the right side, and if I tap on each of those tabs, I'm going to open a different blank section, and the idea here is that you enter whichever spreads or info you want to start populating these sections. Now I do have a video showing you how you can in fact label all of your blank tabs in GoodNotes. However, this can be really time consuming because you have to do it on every single page of the planner, which again you can do it if you want, but otherwise you can just use this spiral in the middle. You can tap there and you'll skip back to this index page, and then you'll have your labels here. So that's an easier and quicker way of knowing which tab or which section is which. Okay, and then we go on to the next page and we get to our yearly calendar. You can also access this page by tapping on this first tab on the top right. As you can see, there's a calendar icon. So let's say I'm back here and I tap on that icon, it's gonna bring me to this page. Again, this is the dated version of the pastel planner, so my calendar is already inserted here. If you get the undated version, this is a page that will come all blank, and you will be able to download the current yearly calendar for free and add it here. It'll look the same way. Now I'm going to start using my tabs. So if I tap on this second tab on the right, I'm going to open my daily page. Now you only get one of these, and you can duplicate and use as many as you need. Again, I will show you in the next video how I've been using these and how you can duplicate them and start adding them to your weeks. And now I want to show you the months, and those are linked on the left side here. So if I tap on the first tab, that's going to open the month of January. Now again, this is dated, so you have all of the dates here. And what's cool about this is that you can tap on the top right corner of each box from the Monday column. So that means that if I click on this 4, I'm going to skip to that particular week. As you can see, it says Monday 4th. And from here, I have these arrows that will allow me to go to the following or the previous weeks, which makes navigation so convenient. Then of course you can go to all of the following months of the year. This planner comes with 12 months, so in this case I have January 2021 to December 2021. And as I said, you can skip to the week, so let's go to the last week of December right here. And if I swipe here, I do get this bonus week for the first week of January 2022. But if I keep going, then I get to those blank sections that I mentioned previously. Again, these are going to be customizable. You can enter whichever spreads, info, notes, or whatever else you want here. And when we get to the last section, then you swipe and you get to your grid papers. So the first one is a dot grid, and this is helpful when you are designing your own spreads directly in GoodNotes, or you simply want to align your text boxes, your images, anything else you want. You can use this to let you know how things will look straight. You will also get this ruled page, a square grid page, and an all blank spread. You can use any of these pages to copy and add them behind your sections. Let's say that I want to have a section for photos, but you only have one page per section when you get the planner. However, you can duplicate or add as many pages behind that first section page as you want. So for example, I have only one here, and if I scroll, I go onto the next section, but I will show you in the following video how you can copy pages and add it behind this section so you have unlimited pages in your planner. I'm gonna go back to my grid, so open my last section, and an easier way to navigate pages in GoodNotes I'm gonna show you right now. You tap on the screen, you open your toolbar, and if you go to these 4 squares on the top left, you get to see a miniature view of all of the pages included in your planner. And I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but there's a blue outline letting me know which page is currently selected. So I'm right here, but it's small, but I get to see that this is my rule page. I can see that this is my grid page. So that's a quicker way to just jump to the page that you want. So after these pages that I showed you already, your grid and blank pages, you also get a version of the pages with no tabs. This is in case you just want to write a bunch of text and you don't want the distractions of the tabs, then you have that option as well. You also get a grid paper here. You have your ruled pages, square grid, and an all blank page. And this is the last page of the planner. Okay, so these are the color options that you can choose from for the pastel planners. So you have this black cover on a light gray background. You also have the option of this dark navy with a black cover. Here's a pink background with a black cover, and that's what the page looks like. A teal background with a black cover, a navy blue background with a tan cover. You can also choose a gray background with a peach cover. There's also this light peach option of background with a pink cover, purple background with a lighter pink cover, purple background with a teal cover, and that is the last option. Other options that you can select with this planner is whether you want your months and weeks to start on Mondays or Sundays. So if you choose the all Monday start option, you will get your yearly calendar starting with a Monday, as well as your months and weeks. You can also choose an all Sunday start, which means that your yearly calendar, your months, and your weeks will all start on Sunday. But you can also choose an option that is called hybrid, and that means that the months will start on a Sunday, but the weeks will start on a Monday. And those are all of the options that you can choose from when selecting a pastel planner. Now, in my next video, I will teach you how to do some things in the note-taking app GoodNotes 5, like how to duplicate pages, how to add stickers, use your pen tool, add text boxes, etc. So make sure to check that video out to learn how to best use this digital planner on your iPad. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and click on that bell to turn on the notifications so you know when there's a new video out. I always share cool and fun videos about tips and tricks that you can follow along on your iPad. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.